I know, guys, going out during this lockdown searching for your favorite ingredients to make cake is such a difficult task. So here I have Mother's Day special cake made with only 3 ingredients, and trust me, it came out very delicious. So hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So first ingredient I have is some biscuits. So I have used some digestive biscuits, Horlicks biscuit, and I prefer you guys to use some Good Day biscuits because it contains lots of butter. So if you have some chocolate biscuits, go for it. So the first step which you have to use is grind up your biscuits into small powder, and for almost 22 to 25 pieces of biscuits, add 1 cup of whole milk and then again mix it in the mixer. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You can even use baking soda and mix it very well. First I have this cake tin of 1 pound. It is already greased with parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, don't worry, you can apply oil in your cake tin and then spread your cake batter evenly across the cake. And then this cake is getting in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Or you can do this, take a cooker, add some salt and preheat for 10 minutes and then add your cake batter and cover it up for almost 30 minutes. So the substitute of whipping cream is over here. I have used fresh cream. You can use any other cream, but it should contain 25% of milk fat. So first I'm gonna open this cream. I have used this big pouch because this was only available in the market. You can even use the small one. So there are many things you have to remember. The first thing, the container in which you are transferring the cream should be freezed, and your cream should be freezed for almost 2 hours. And make sure you are taking out the topmost layer of the fresh cream, not the bottom layer, or else you will get the liquidy consistency of your fresh cream. So I have used 4 to 5 spoons of this fresh cream, and then I have transferred it another surface which contains cold water, and I'm using this beater to whip this cream properly. So after 2 minutes you can get to see that your consistency of your fresh cream has become very liquidy. Now it's time to add your powder sugar or your confectioner sugar into it. If you don't have your icing sugar, you just add 1 more spoon of corn flour powder into it along with the sugar powder and beat it for almost 3 to 4 minutes. And exactly after 3 to 4 minutes, here you have the perfect consistency of your fresh cream, which is no lesser than the whipped cream. And trust me, this was the best method to make this cream, and you just have to be careful with the step. Make sure that the bowl is chilled enough. So I have also added some melted dairy milk, and I have added some cocoa powder into the fresh cream, which I failed to record it in the camera. But don't worry, the steps are very easy. So now after 30 minutes you can see my cake is baked properly and the toothpick has came out perfectly. So it's time to demold the cake. So after demolding the cake, make sure you keep this cake outside at the room temperature for 30 minutes, and do not forget to take out those parchment paper. And yeah, I suggest you guys to use this parchment paper because it keeps the surface of your cake flat, which is very important to make a perfect cake. And trust me, this parchment paper will help to restore the shape of the cake. So now it's time to divide the cake into 2 layers and apply some sugar syrup into it. Sugar syrup contains nothing, just some sugar and water. Now I have piped up those whipped cream into my piping bag, and I have piped it in a beautiful pattern on top of the cake. And then it's time to add some Nutella on top of it. You don't have Nutella, don't worry, just go for some chocolate spread, or just melt up your dairy milk chocolate in the microwave and add it on top of the cake. And if not, then chop up your dairy milk into fine pieces and add it. If you have those butterscotch chips or chocolate chips, just go for it, just add it, because it's definitely gonna make your cake taste very delicious. So here comes the second layer, and I'm going to soak it with some more sugar syrup. Now in order to make the cake look very beautiful, I am first adding all those toppings, that means the Nutella and the chocolate chips on top. and then I'm gonna pipe it up with some cream. So if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and like this video and share it as much as you can, and make this cake and impress your mom with such a delicious, effortless chocolate cake. So here you see I have piped those whipped cream successfully on top of the cake. Many of you have been asking me the substitute of whipped cream, and honestly this was the perfect substitute of your whipped cream. I have sprinkled some chocolate sprinkles and some golden color sprinkles on top of the cake, which is making it look very delicious and very tasty. Like this video if you really like the cake, and make sure you comment below and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon and stay updated with all the latest videos. Thank you and happy Mother's Day.